Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to fix first letter capital in Excel. So let's have a look now. Begin by opening the Excel workbook with the text that you want to modify. In the cell where you want to modify text, enter the formula. Okay. Put an equal sign, write down proper, first bracket, then select the cell. Now close the bracket. Now press enter. This will capitalize the first letter of each word. If you want to multiple cells, drag the file handle downward. This will copy the formula to the adjacent cells. And then you have it. You can now fix first letter capital in your Excel workbook. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.